Eat these 15 foods to make focusing your mind a breeze. The things we eat have the power to help our brains function at optimal levels or to sink us into the morass of fog and forgetfulness. Why? Some foods, like things overly processed or full of sugar, create inflammation in your brain, making it harder for you to do what needs to get done. What foods will get your brain hopping? 1. Avocados. Rich in vitamins and minerals, avocados are excellent for memory and cognitive function. They also protect against blood clots in the brain, making this a superfood on many levels. 2. Beets. Beets have many benefits. They knock back inflammation, give energy, and improve your blood flow to the brain, so you think better after eating them. 3. Blueberries. Full of antioxidants and packed in goodness, blueberries are great to combat the effects of stress and aging on our brains. 4. Bone broth. Another food which fights inflammation. Bone broth is one of those foods that helps enhance the memory. But it also naturally boosts the immune system, meaning it helps your body heal and perform better overall. 5. Broccoli. Keep memory on track with broccoli and enjoy all the other benefits from this vitamin-rich food at the same time. It's also a great go-to for snacking. 6. Celery. We all know celery is great for dieting, but did you know it's full of antioxidants and also reduces inflammation? That's a lot from this crunchy veggie. 7. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is another food that aids to prevent memory loss as you age, making it an essential addition to your diet. 8. Dark chocolate. Great as a dessert, dark chocolate increases blood flow to the brain, enhancing cognitive skills. Even better, this tasty treat helps lower your blood pressure. 9. Egg yolks. Choline in egg yolks is necessary to brain development before you're even born. Even more interesting, eggs affect the pleasure-inducing chemicals in your brain. 10. Extra virgin olive oil. Of all the foods listed here, this one can reverse age-related damage to the brain. Useful for enabling learning and making your memory better, using extra virgin olive oil means better health all around. 11. Green leafy vegetables. Worried about losing your memory with aging? Eating lots of green leafy vegetables will slow the process. 12. Rosemary. Not only does rosemary protect your eyesight, but it also slows brain deterioration. 13. Salmon. Full of omega-3 fatty acids, salmon will make your thought processes clearer. No more brain fog. Salmon also enhances learning. 14. Turmeric. Turmeric has strong anti-inflammatory properties and also enhances blood flow to the brain, leaving you more alert and better able to function. 15. Walnuts. Studies have shown walnuts help to protect against Alzheimer's, which is good news, especially to those who might be genetically predisposed to the disease. They also increase your ability to think clearly and keep your brain sharp.